Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get approved for options trading in Robinhood. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm over at a good article on Investopedia that outlines how to do this. So to get approved for options trading in Robinhood, you need to complete a few key steps and meet certain eligibility criteria. So step one is to open and fund your Robinhood account. So begin by signing up for a Robinhood account through their website or mobile app. And then we need to complete the identity verification process, which includes providing personal information and linking your bank account. Then you need to fund your account to demonstrate financial readiness for trading. And then from there, we need to enable options trading. So in the Robinhood app or on the web, navigate to your account settings, select the investing section and choose enable options trading. You'll be prompted to complete an options trading application, which will include confirming your investor profile, reviewing and agreeing to online option agreements, and answering questions about your trading experience and financial situation. Also, investment objectives. Also, we need to understand approval levels. So Robinhood assigns options trading approval levels based on your responses. So for example, level 2, access to basic strategy like buying calls and puts, covered calls and cash covered puts. Level 3, access to advanced strategies such as spreads, iron condors, and other complex option trades. Then from there, step 4, await approval. So after submitting your application, Robinhood will review your information, and the approval times can vary from person to person. You'll be notified in the app once the decision is made. So I suggest having your notifications turned on in the Robinhood app to get that notification if you've been approved or not.